Srimad Bhagavatam, we get so many wonderful instructions at every page. One instruction, as I mentioned, is that one instruction we receive that when somebody becomes a devotee, the Lord becomes merciful to their family members also. And the example, we got such a wonderful example. Narad Muni took compassion upon his father, and who was not at all on spiritual path. In a way, he was a gross sense gratifier. Not maybe gross, a subtle sense gratifier. Like he was not trying to enjoy here in the earth planet, but he was making arrangements to enjoy in the heavenly planets through this sacrifice. But Narad Muni took compassion upon him and instructed him. So this is how also we have seen with Dhruva Maharaj. Dhruva Maharaj became a devotee, but his mother derived such wonderful benefit. His father also derived such wonderful benefit. When Narad Muni saw that Dhruva Maharaj is making such wonderful spiritual advancement, Narad Muni went to Dhruva Maharaj, Dhruva Maharaj's father, King Uttanapad, and also instructed him. The Lord bestowed His mercy upon his mother. When Dhruva Maharaj was about to leave the spiritual world, then he remembered his mother who helped him in his spiritual life so much. And when he wondered about his mother, Nanda and Sunanda, the two associates of the Lord who came to escort Dhruva Maharaj to the spiritual world, said that, look, your mother is already there, going even ahead of you in a celestial chariot. And through this verse we get another wonderful example. The wonderful example is that the Supreme Personality of Godhead takes care of everyone. Even though the child is left in the middle of the forest, but he took care of him. Or rather, he took care of her through Chandradev. He didn't directly come. Similarly, Shakuntala was born and left behind right after her birth. And the birds were protecting. And who made that arrangement? Krishna. Dhruva Maharaj, as a 5-year-old child, went to the forest filled with ferocious animals. Did anything happen to Dhruva Maharaj? No. Why? Because the Lord was protecting him. Prahlad Maharaj's father tried to kill him in so many ways. But who was protecting Prahlad Maharaj? Krishna. So in this way, we can see that there is no need to worry about our maintenance and our existence, our future. Krishna will take care.